Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most trending designs of handmade crochet mini bags. It's very trendy item. So viewer, please don't skip this video. Watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of most popular and most trending designs. And if you all love and if you want more crochet articles and if you are crochet lover, so this video is especially for you, so please don't skip this. I hope you all love these popular ideas. Viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs of handmade crochet mini bags. I really hope that they will love these popular and items and amazing collection. You know guys, different peoples have different choices and they love different type of colors and different type of designs. In this video you will see different colors, different attractive and amazing designs of mini crochet bags. It's very trendy item, so pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself, for gifting, for your friends gifting. Thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and watch my this video for those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection. It's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So over now I am share with you the benefits of crochet bags, eco-friendly bags, reusable bag, adorable, customizable and unique, sportive, handmade craftsmanships, soft and gentle on items, easy to clean and fashionable. So I am share with you the details of these points. Crochet bag, eco-friendly crochet bags, mini bags are a sustainable, attractive and alternative to plastic bags, reducing waste and promoting a green lifestyle. Reusable crochet mini bags can be used multi-items, making them a practical choice for daily and traveling, shopping. It's very beautiful when you pick this bag on your hand. Your looks are very beautiful. Adorable with the proper care, crochet bag can last for years, making them a green and great investment. You can choose the yarn and your favorite color and design to fit your personal items, personal styles and preference. Each crochet mini bags and big bag is handmade and making it a one of a kind accessory. By choosing your crochet bag, you are supporting and the artisan and who create it. Crochet mini bags and crochet big bags are often made with soft yarns, making them gentle on your belonging. Most crochet bags are machine washable, making maintenance breezy. And Crochet bags come in various size, making them suitable for different purpose. Small for small pouches to large dot. Crochet bags are a stylish accessory, adding a touch of handmade charms to any outfit. Overall, crochet bags, it's a long, it's a short, it's mini, and other crochet bags offer a preference. It's perfect blend of fashionability and sustainability and style. So, yeah, crochet is a proper needlework and technique that involving using a hooks and yarns to create fabric. It's a versatile and craft that can be used to make a wide range of items. So we were, if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas and if you are interested in learning how to crochet, there are many online resources and tutorial available to help you get started. And if you all love this article and if you want more designs, like my video and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.